One thing also that I want to say is most people spend a lot of time thinking about whether they should start creating their account or not. Now, the moment you watch this video, if you have watched up to this level, one of the things that I will say to you is don't waste time. Go and create your account immediately. And I'm going to show you in day two how to create your account. All right. But today I just want to walk you through how the platform looks. But it is important that you don't delay, you don't waste time. Go straight and create your account so that you start the journey. Starting the journey is more important than studying all you keep studying without you doing anything. Take action. So as we go on a daily basis, do the things that I'm going to show you. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you some assignments, some things that you need to do today, so that when we go to day two, you are progressing, you are making progress. All right. So here is the Upwork platform. So as you can see, you have your sign up button there, and you can see that the website looks really clean and professionally done. This is a very big website. You should take a look around, man. You should come look around, see, read through. I will encourage you to do that because this is really, really important. All right. As you can see, there is also like a chart there. Very interesting charts icon there. All right. So the important thing is that you need to note, if you come to this side, you will see the search. There is a search bar, and you have this drop down that says talents, talents, or you can click down whether it's you are looking for projects or you are looking for jobs, right? Talents means that you are looking hire professionals and agencies. Very explanatory, it's simple, and buy ready to start services. So sometimes you have to there is a way for you to create projects. Let's say you have expertise in a particular field, you can create projects and sell those projects. So clients can just buy those projects, and then you can see jobs. All right. So if you are a freelancer, this is the tab that you want. So you just need to click and then it changes. If you are looking for projects, you can also search for specific project there. So let's say here you can just click and then search for a job. But most importantly, what you need to understand is the Upwork has organized all of the services or the specialities or the things that you can do on the platform, or the services that you can provide on the platform, in very unique and professional categories. So the first category there is this IT, this development. All right. So this refers to like software development, IT services. If you click on it, you will see that you have this window that now talks about development and IT experts to scale your organization. So let's say you are looking for talents. So remember, I am looking for what is selected here is talents. So that's what the website is showing. All right. If I change that to something else, then it will show something else. All right. So here you are looking for developer, hire independent professional to shorten your development cycles. And indeed, so you can see now Upwork is recommended trusted remote development and IT experts. So now Upwork is recommending by categories Java developers. You see, these are a group of developers that are doing well. PHP developers, you can see that. All right. So everything is organized in a well structured manner. Then you can say AI services. So now, since we have the era of AI, so if you click there, you can also see different services that are being provided right here. Popular AI services that are available on the platform. Get advice and tips from an expert, build a custom chatbot, and so on. All of these experts are available. You can also see, explore what's possible with a consultation. So you can see here, you can book like consultancy. So you can provide this service as well. If let's say you are an expert in you have some expertise in consulting, or maybe you have some expertise in terms of AI, you can provide consultation. Somebody can pay you $100 for 30 minutes or $200 for 1 hour, something like that. You can provide that consultation, that service. You can create that as a project or as a package and then sell it to people. So these are consultants that people can hire to talk about AI projects. And also these are freelancers that somebody can hire if you want. So you can see some of these guys, you can take a deeper look into them. So I just want to show you that these are all categories that exist here. So you have different type of services that you can provide. So let's say you are in marketing, you can also take a look. If you are just somebody who is just getting started, maybe you don't have any professional background, but maybe you have worked as an admin assistant, or you can organize calendars, you know how to answer emails, you just know how to do support people like CEOs and whatnot. You can also go into the admin and customer support areas and see what is available there and see which expertise that are available there, like virtual assistant. Who is a virtual assistant, right? Like try to find out. You can Google it and find out who are these people, data entry specialists, project managers, and so on. So you can see all of these as skill sets or expertise that are available on the platform that you can take a look at. All right. Then you even have more here, like writing and translation. So it's also a category here. You have finance and accounting, engineering and architecture, HR, and legal. So if you're a lawyer, and you can also provide legal advice for people. All right. Then apart from that, let's go now to the top there. You have these tabs that we have there, like find talent. All right. So I just want to zoom some of these things. So if you click on this tab now, if I leave that, if I click away, so each of these tabs, they have this drop down. So when you come there, you can see find talent. This is for, say you are a client and you want to look for talent. You can easily post a job and hire a professional. All right. Or you can browse and buy projects. You can get advice from an industry expert. This is where the consultation comes in. All right. I've explained this. So find work, ways to earn. So how do you earn on Upwork? So this is for freelancers. So you have to find a job, right? So ways to earn, learn why Upwork has the right opportunities for you, find work for your skills, explore the kind of work available in your field. So you can see that things are well structured here. Why Upwork? So why do you choose Upwork? Why you should choose Upwork? Maybe let me put it that way. Why should you choose Upwork? It's very important, right? You can read success stories, discover teams, right? And how to hire, how to find work, reviews, and so on. And then you have enterprise clients. So enterprise clients, these are big clients. Like say for instance, they sometimes they spend up to millions of dollars on the platform, so they can become enterprise clients. So if you are an enterprise client, you can click, and then they can so basically Upwork sometimes recommend they hire on behalf of this enterprise client. Like the enterprise clients consult Upwork to hire for them, right, on their behalf, something like that. So basically this is like the walkthrough of this platform. So I would say take a look. It's very important that you understand how the platform works, how it is structured, and it can help you to be confident about how to navigate the platform, right? So just take your time, just go through everything to take a read, and then it will help you. Yes, so guys, this is where I am going to stop this introductory video, but here is your assignment for day one. Now, I want you to go through the video again, just listen to it, take a notebook and note down the psychological things that I talked about, right? The key points that I mentioned about your psychology, like the way you think, your mindset as a freelancer, how you should approach the platform, right? Like the key learning points. I want you to note those down. Then the second thing you need to do is to come to the platform, actually navigate it. If you already have an account, all you need to do is to go to that account, navigate the platform, search for different things, try to explore, and also read the terms and conditions of Upwork. It's very important. I want you to do that particular part. Read the terms and conditions of Upwork. How do Upwork give badges? What are the criteria for you to get each badge? How do Upwork protect you from fraud or scammers on the platform? These are things that you need to understand, all right, as a freelancer. So I want you to go spend time, know how Upwork is protecting you, how Upwork issues badges, and then understand the terms and conditions of Upwork. I'm not saying you should read everything. I'm saying have an overview of these things so that you understand the way Upwork operates. And then the third thing that I want you to do, I want you to study and understand 5 features that Upwork provides, right? Number 1 is availability badge. Number 2, I want you to learn about how to boost your proposal so that you can be on top of the list of the client. All right. Number 3, I want you to learn how to search for jobs on the platform. And number 4, I want you to learn about how do you negotiate your rates. Okay, what are the type of rates that Upwork has, like fixed rates versus hourly rates. All right. And then number 5, the Upwork desktop app. I want you to just read about it a little bit, discover it on the platform, and then read about it. Thank you very much, and then see you on the next one.